We are going on our every evening routine just outside the gate with pure delight. Yum yum. We call this amchu. Ian is gonna do the honors. I'm gonna do the honors of filming this event. I want you to see why we do this. I hope it's not raining. It wasn't really nice day today. Oh, there's a cat here. You wanna see another of my cats? Say hello to Queenie. She's not interested. I've been feeding those cats since I arrived into the country, basically. So this is 5th month. New cats appearing, some of them disappearing. It's between 4 and 8 every evening. And once one lady told me off. Why do I do it? If I do it, they'll come to the balconies. I don't know. They do come. Yeah, one comes, and it's not from the group. I mean, if you feed me, I will come to your balcony too. Look at Ian's tan. Ian looks so brown.
The reality of sunny Spain is freezing.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, it's quite windy and I'm frozen.
The wind is bitterly cold. It's been like that since we arrived here in November.
It's really cold today. Anyway, I'm gonna finish you the story. The lady saw me feeding homeless cats and she told me off. She said I shouldn't be doing it, they are provided for. So, in my opinion, they're not provided for. Watch behind me. They saw me coming. Watch behind me. Hello! You will see them appearing. They know us. And Ian say always tuk tuk tuk. I don't know why. Is this the way to call the cats, saying tuk tuk? Anyway, that's the film. That's the feeding process. Only 2 today. And I want to show you especially this one. Hello, my sweetheart. Oh, your eyes are open today. Hello. This is cat, which is provided for. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Eat, baby. Eat. Yes. Eat. They are so hungry. I have no idea where's the rest of them today. Let me call them. This is where they live. Somewhere here. Come on, children. This is how I call them. My children. So they are provided for. I don't know where are they today. It's only 2. Anyway, I'm not going to stop. You can tell me off as much as you like. I don't really care. This is not gonna stop. If I see hungry animal, whatever it is, donkey, elephant, I'll feed it. As simple as that. Whoever knows me, they know that's the way I am. And I did give them a shout, Ian, and they're not coming. I don't know where they are today. Maybe it's Easter holiday, they went home. So it's only 2 today, but they will smell the food, they will come. Anyway, my biggest concern is the one you saw, the very skinny one. His eyes were closed yesterday. One eye was closed, one was open. It was just full of pus. And today it opened. So thanks God for that. Now look at the sky. And this is where I live. I can show you where I live. My neighbors. Actually, I can take you to the pool. So the first car here on the right, basically both cars with the yellow number plates are mine. There will be another vlog about that. This is for quick travels to the shop, and the red one is for longer travels Like we're gonna go to Portugal, for example, next month, and you can sleep in this, you can cook in this, and you can even go to the toilet in this. But that's another video for you to see the red one inside. I don't have a key to go to the pool, but I am just by the pool. I'm gonna lift you up so you can see. And my apartment, if you look from here, is let me see that window. That's my bedroom where the squatter was. That one. So it's quite a nice compound. It's a lovely place. Really, I have a beautiful panoramic view over there, all the way to Torrevieja, as the Torrevieja downtown. So the Pink Lake will be somewhere there, Cabo Roig somewhere there, Cartagena 50 miles from me, from here. If you ever have a chance to go to Cartagena, do it. But don't go off the beaten track, because there are some areas they're quite dodgy. Anyway, this is my, I call it flying carpet. If the weather is like that, which is freezing cold right now, I'm gonna show you the car inside, how is it done, so you can actually sleep in it. It's like a mini camper van. And that's my other baby here. In this one we drove all the way from Scotland. And that one, it took 3 days. Oh, hello. Ah, that's my cat. She saw me and that was it. She saw me, she said hi, and I get off. Okay, I have to go in because it's really cold and really windy, and I'm starting to shiver. And that's April for you. And people ask me to send sunshine from Spain. Sorry, no can do. Anyway, bye for now.